It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi right here, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you amazing dollar arbitrage you can start right now. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to hit on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about business opportunity like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive deep into the tutorial and see amazing dollar arbitrage business you can start right now. So let's begin. So one of the first tips I would like to share about dollar arbitrage is a situation whereby you have to use Naira to purchase USD. So you can use Naira to purchase USD from Aboki. You can also purchase it online. So I will give you two examples on how you can get it done. And I'm going to show you a proof on how I do this business and how I make more money in the very short period of time of investing the Naira into the arbitrage dollar. Now, for you to buy USD online, so you can buy USD online from people that work as a freelancer. That will come with a huge profit because what you are going to buy from people online is going to be much cheaper. But in this regard, you need to have a domiciliary account. For instance, if you are trying to buy USD from a freelancer or from people that sell digital products, so you need to have a USD domiciliary account because that is where they will credit the USD. Immediately you pay them in Naira, then you will give them your USD account. So you can create USD account, which is also known as domiciliary account, with any commercial bank, be it UBA, Senate Bank, Access Bank, any one of them. So personally, I use UBA. So when you give them your USD account, they will credit the amounts in USD into your domiciliary account. What you need to do is to walk into the bank, fill in the teller, and withdraw your fund. So it's as simple as that. So that's the first way to do USD arbitrage. The second way to do USD arbitrage is a situation whereby you get your Naira and approach the Aboki and get the dollar from them in a physical face-to-face business interaction. This method it really works mostly when you have enough cash in Naira, because this time around it is always advisable to keep your currency in USD instead of keeping it in Naira. Over the years now, dollar always appreciates. So I have been doing this business for a very long time, and I decided to share with you how this second method works. So the second method I would like to teach you on how to do dollar arbitrage is a situation whereby you have your Naira cash in hand and you approach Aboki and purchase USD from there. Now, if you want to purchase USD from Aboki, it is not a must for you to purchase USD in 100 grams. So there are different denominations of USD. You can purchase $10 notes, you can purchase $50, $20 notes, and when you purchase from there, the rate of $10 note is relatively cheap than the rate of compared to the rate of $20 note. So if you want to really enjoy this business, when you approach the Aboki, let's for instance you need like $100. So tell them to give you 10 bills or 20 bills. So when you collect your $100, walk into your bank, deposit the money into your domiciliary account. So for this second method also, you need a domiciliary account. So when you deposit the money into your domiciliary account, you can leave it in your account for like 1 month or 2 months. Go back to the bank, fill in the teller, and withdraw your USD. This is what I've been doing for a very long time. Like 2 months ago, I purchased USD of 500 USD at a month. So let me just show you the profit I was able to make for that investment. So I purchased 500 USD at the amount of 950 multiplied by 500. So I purchased it at 475k USD. Now, as at the time I'm making this video, I want to tell you that the USD rate now is 1,200 multiplied by 500 USD I purchased. This is going to give me 600k. So now the investment price, remove the investment price from the current sales price. So you are going to have nothing less than huge amount of cash. So this is just a, so if you say 600,000 minus 475,000, so the calculation is very simple. What you need to do is that 600,000 minus 475,000. So I was able to make 125,000 Naira just for the investment of 500 USD. So you can imagine if you leave the USD in your account for like 5 months, you can imagine the huge amount of profit you are going to make. Tell me which of the commercial bank can give you 125,000 interest rate on 475 naira deposit, whether fixed deposit or whatsoever. I want to believe that no commercial bank can give you this kind of profit. So this is how you can simply do your dollar arbitrage. There are lots of tricks as far as this business is concerned. If you want to continue enjoying these tips and tricks on how you can actually do dollar arbitrage successful, consider to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about dollar arbitrage. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.